Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing VTubers Studio on your PC and the companion app on your phone. This is necessary so both ends can talk. Once done, make sure the phone and PC share the same Wi-Fi network for wireless mode, or have a USB cable and ADB drivers ready for wired mode. Open VTubers Studio on the computer and select phone camera or remote input to begin the pairing flow. This initiates the handshake and prepares both apps to exchange video and tracking data. Now you move into pairing. On the phone app, tap Connect to PC and either scan the QR code displayed by VTubers Studio or type the PC's IP address. That links the two. Make sure to set the resolution and frame rate to match your PC's performance so tracking stays smooth, and pick face or full body tracking as needed. If you're using USB, enable USB debugging in developer settings and accept the computer's prompt on the phone. This secures a stable wired feed and reduces latency. Finally, confirm the camera feed appears on your PC, then run the calibration for your avatar and test lip and face tracking so animations match your movements. If you need lower latency, prefer a wired USB connection, and for wireless, try moving both devices to the same Wi-Fi band or closer to the router to reduce packet loss. If things go wrong, restart both apps, temporarily disable firewalls, or try a different USB cable. These quick fixes resolve most connection issues and get you streaming fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.